only for the green. Here to kill your whole scene and your motherfucking team. Little Maul, the raw dog, I know you heard of me. You probably know some bitch niggas who wanna murder me. Buster Reggie Murray, rampant mercy's all we need for disaster. With me, the microphone master. Look, I crash you, bash your skull. Fuck with Wally G if you're trying to take a fall. Niggas talk about killing and never get to it. Fuck the yapping, be true to it, do it. Steady screaming about your east and your west side, but you ain't in it when it come to the homicide. Niggas better get up off that bullshit quick. Caught up in the limelight, getting way too slick. See him at their shows, bout to rock they shit off. Getting they peeps fucked up, cause they block is soft as whatever. I sever the best of MCs. Look, little Molly G's tripping off these endo trees. About the murder labels jerking, but mercy us. Death Squad niggas prophesize like the Perseus. Dropping degrees to zero with flat lines. Kill your whole entourage off with just one rhyme. One rhyme, just one rhyme. I don't give a fuck, I kill them with just one rhyme. Yeah, you wish that you can get with this. Terrorist lyricist for your error. It's my time to shine and I'm still paying dues. And I'ma be famous, so need the rap of the news. Motherfucker, I only tell you nothing but the real. It's tied up in the struggle trying to get this fucking meal. Niggas act shifty, so I shift along. 3 try, 3 gone, it's the same old song. I seen the shades in this ways from afar, Paul. But hold up, do you know who I are? The M.A. double. You want trouble, you got it on spotted zone. You plotted, I got it, and shot it. It's hot up in your dome. Peace with the chrome piece that I pack. Remember, fuck around and catch a Mac to your back.
Who the fuck I be? You cannot see flabbergasted, blasting my Magna P.I. Oops, I lied. I got a cannon about the size of Grand Canyon. I'm prime time, giving MCs knots landing. Duck, heaven's the fucking Murgatroyd. I drop noise that employs the unbelievable. Recline like receding hairline. Crime speaks fine with a 9-pole line blind. Keep minds up my sleeve until you start to quiver. Metabolism splits rivers. I rock so many bars, I leave your entourage tender. Like bartenders mix liquor. I serve you over the rocks, feed you to my block. Now time to click triggers. Manslaughter in alphabetical order for 4 quarters. Raw water turns sons to granddaughters. I bring trouble where you sleep. Someone double dare to bust you in your bubble bear. Coat antidotes cause gun smoke in Tokyo. MCs nosy though your mics up in this rodeo. I start roasting by the thousands, millions, quadrillions, shutting down national state buildings with high ceilings. Funk dock to the spot, freeze, creeping on them seas like Vietnamese and army fatigues. Death Squad representer, hit your ass up from the bottom when you enter.
Hey yo, once a crackhead, always attack head. You have no credibility, all that shit you talk is dead. As sex, drugs, and violence, balance the scales of reality. Y'all don't want no parts of Keith Murray. I'm nicey and shiesty, I get that ass iced deliciously. Niggas ain't shit to me. Them stupid niggas always got something smart to say, and probably can't even spell TWA. My crew is like police pull up the park anywhere. Jump out and get it on right then and there. Niggas is pussing your ways and acts and show it. Plus y'all niggas dead and don't even know it. It's Death Squad LOD for life. Fuck your life. Act trifle, let my dog go fuck your wife. Fuck your life.
You just heard that sound of Molly G. Redman, Keith Murray, bringing the ruckus to the Death Squad. Next up is the Flipmode Squad. This is how it goes sound. First up to the ring, rampage, the last voice shout. Lord have mercy, and that infamous Busta Rhymes.
312, I'm living life as a rugged MC. When I step up in your jam, yo, I'm VIP. Niggas and bitches be eyeing me. I'm spontaneous, I'm wrecking brothers out the frame because I'm dangerous. I'm well known like Keith Murray and my boy Reggie Noble. Chicken heads get gas, so they call me on my mobile. I'm great distance like AT&T. I stroke like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Yo, I face them all like my man Molly G. With a nigga asking free and making sure he see visions of me. Rampage the talk of the town. The stalker of New York that fucks up the underground. I'm coming thorough like a pack of lifesavers. Ask Molly Mo, who's the real future flavors. My technique, I freak 7 days a week, I'm undefeated. You can see my quantum leap. I'm hitting brothers where it hurt, lyrical expert. Those who got no publishing, they need to get jerked. 100%, I get down when I invent. Rap artists be dying to a certain extent. Sometimes they use the underground to make a comeback. That shit is whack. Fade away and never come back.
Now and forever, it's I why? Evil that men do. Mental, my innocent winter. Frosted froze crews inventor. Invader, evacuator, collapse your major. Straights and lows minds. More spits 2 times on intruders. For these losers, my maneuvers. Rock like Luger's illegal. Maybe lethal like Gibson. Spitting blessings with 3 weapons. Lay in the cut like C-sections. Infested the 9-6 for you mindless. Niggas are smack spineless. On they back like recliners. Caps inject jewels. Axe flesh. Wounds wet like vaginas. Corrupt your minors like New York City's finest lineups. Some LSD find us in your sinus. Crush like China's opium seed grinders. Minus these rhymers I hijack like airliners. Infiltrator, creator of sinful rapers. Stay vicious like religious cult leaders that drop scriptures and rock clips for assault heaters. Bar flip mode, niggers, one like Afghanistan gorillas.
If you want more information, look, listen, and read while I sit back and I roll another fat bag of weed. We about to take control of your set like cruise control speed. Shots by my lyrical semen, plants by Johnny Appleseed. Mental slave grip on your brain like white people. My music will dominate the population like black people. Utilize my efforts to exercise my every thoughts. I capitalize on my many and various styles of all sorts. Hold down the fort, smoking, drinking mad corpse. For sports, talking chicken heads and body lick shorts. Let's get the cream so that we can move up in this fortress. Bounce to art galleries and purchase exotic portraits. Here we go again, another phenomenon when I get on. Bust the rhymes of my nigga named Stretch Armstrong. We represent the ultimate unit for the 9 seasons. Flip mode squad will bust your